Are you tired of wasting money on Namecheap ads that just don't convert? I see this all the time. You throw money at it, hoping for the best, but the results just aren't there. Well, I am going to walk you through the exact setup process so you can finally launch paid ads that actually work and get you that return on investment you are looking for. So here is the plan. First, we are going to open up the Relate Reviews page. From there, we will click into Marketing Tools, then Growth Tools, and then find the Ads section. And this is the part most people get wrong, we are going to carefully choose the right billing plan so you are not overpaying. Let's jump in. Start by opening the Relate Reviews page on Namecheap. This is your starting point, and it's where all the ad tools live. You'll see a link right in the description if you need it. From there, click on Marketing Tools. Think of this as the main control center for getting your business in front of more eyes. It's usually in the sidebar or right on the main dashboard. Next, click on Growth Tools. Now, this is where things get specific. Growth Tools is Namecheap's collection of apps designed to help your business actually expand, not just sit there. You are on the right track. Now, click on Ads. This is it. This is the section we have been working towards. Inside here, you are going to see a few different options for promoting your business. Then click on Make Paid Ads a Breeze. I love the name of this button because it really is the goal. This option simplifies the entire process for you, so you are not digging through confusing settings. Click Get Started to begin the setup. This will open up the billing and configuration panel where you actually decide how you want to pay. Now, here is the really important part. Choose the monthly billing option first. I want you to see what the monthly rate looks like. Click on it just to take a peek. Then switch it over to yearly, and I cannot stress this enough. If you are serious about running ads for more than a month, the yearly plan is where you save real money. Namecheap gives you a much better rate for committing annually. This is one of those insider tips that makes a huge difference to your bottom line. Now, click on monthly again. Wait, didn't we just switch to yearly? Yes, this confirms your choice and lets you compare the two again before you lock in. It is a little double check built into the system. Finally, click Get Started to launch your ads. And just like that, you are live. You have gone from being confused about the setup to confidently launching paid ads with the right billing plan in place. Take a second to make sure everything looks good in your dashboard, and then let your ads start working for you.